This video is an update on my meme coin portfolio. If you're actually following me on this channel, I actually did a video where I talked about meme coins I'm actually holding, and this video is going to be a follow-up video on that particular one. So aside from meme coins, I'm holding other coins, which I also did a video about that previously, so you can check out my channel to find out some of those videos. But let's get into today's video, which is my meme coin portfolio. Be sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's start with the first one on my list. So I recently added new meme coins. I'm going to talk about the new ones I added, and then after that I'm going to talk about the previous ones and update about the previous ones we've been holding. So first one I added was called Blob, Bob the Blob. So this meme coin is quite viral. I've seen a lot of persons reacting to it. I did call it on my Telegram channel. If I can go back to do some searches, you can see I posted this on the 28th of August. And today is on the 8th of September, and that is why you have to follow me on Telegram, because it is quite easier for me to drop this alpha as fast as possible. So click on that Telegram channel and join it right away. I also posted it on Twitter too, so make sure you're following me if you want to see this quite early. I posted it at $1.5 million market cap. You can see it right here. And as of today, although the market was not good previously, but as of today, it did go close to $2 million market cap, and right now it's sitting at 1.8 million. I expect this to cross this all-time high in the coming weeks or maybe few months. So this is one meme coin I added to my bag. The second meme coin I added to my list is called Wizard. Now the reason why I like this one is they have a cult community, and that is one thing that can help a token actually do very well in the long run. If you can look right here, you can see they have about 25,000 followers, but sometimes you don't have to look at these things completely. But it's about the people that are actually posting about it. They have a Telegram community where people do post a lot about them, and these pictures are a lot. And one thing I like it is exchanges stylishly actually promotes this particular token. You can see right here, HTX recently posted this here, which signifies this wizard stuff, which you can see right here. Binance, on the other hand, also listed it on Binance Alpha and posted about it, I think, like 2 to 3 times on the timeline. So it is catching the attention of a lot of big exchanges, and that is why I think this has chances to do very well in the coming days or in the coming weeks or months. And most likely we should be able to cross this all-time high in the coming months if the market is actually good. Right now it's sitting at $2.3 million market cap. You can see it right here. So the next coin I actually added is Trencher. You can see it right here. It's currently sitting at $4.1 million market cap, but I did find it somewhere around 3.5 or thereabout. I do like their chart, not looking very terrible. Liquidity is also very good, 823k market cap. And if you go to their Twitter accounts, lots of stuff, they have a lot of followers. And one of the major reasons why I added it is these guys do have the support of pump.fun. So if you look right here, pump.fun actually invested $1.6 million in total into some coins, and you can see the first one here was House Coin, Tokabu, Salary, USD UC, Max, NIT, Trencher, which is this particular coin I actually talked about, Dolo, and Blob. You can see Blob right here. It's also one of the coins I'm holding for mid-term, and you can see Trencher did receive about they did buy about $101,000 of this particular token. Now that's not just all of the reasons why I actually bought it, but I did a more robust research into holders and what people are saying about it, and that is why I think this would most likely be a token that would do well in the midterm. So most likely I'm saying that we get back even above this all-time high in the coming months if the market is good and the team are still here building consistently. The final one I added on my list is called Italian Rot, which is brain rot. Now this is also a viral stuff in the real life, not just crypto. You can look at these characters here, they are quite very popular. Now one thing I like about it is it had this huge run and then this retracement down here, and for the past few months, that is since June up to this time, it has been within this particular range. Let me highlight the range for you so you get to see it. So it has been within this area in the past how many months, so it hasn't traded above it. And that is why I think this long period of accumulation might most likely lead to a very huge spike when this thing is ready to start moving upward. And that is why I started buying it in this price range, although I did buy it quite early. If I go to my Telegram channel, you can see I did call it at $1.6 million market cap. Right now it's sitting at $2.1 million market cap, which I think it has the potential of going high because it's barely just a slight move from 1.6 to 2.1. I expect this to move higher. For my target for this particular meme coin, I really can't say because it all depends on the market and how they accept it. But a target to at least $10 million is very, very possible in the coming weeks or in the coming months. If the market is quite good, I believe it most likely will go higher. You can check out their Twitter account where they have a lot of activities over here. And there's a lot of stuff and that is basically why I like it. And they have a lot of persons that actually tweet about it. So very good community and people backing it. So I don't know. But if you want, you can actually hold for a long time. But know that none of these things I've said is a financial advice. Do not go and buy anything just because you think I'm saying it. Do your own research before investing, please, so that you don't hold me accountable just in case it doesn't go to our direction. Now let's go over to the review of the previous coins I talked about in our previous videos. If you check out the video here, you can see a list of the coins right here. The first one is Ikun, Biao, Bao, and Kubi. So let's go over to them one by one. So I have a watch list for them here, and let's start with Ikun. Now, when you look at Ikun right here, it's been up in the past 24 hours by 22%. But when I did this video, let's see at what price did I actually drop it. So I did post about it around $3 million market cap right here, and it's down to 2.1 million. So we're probably on loss on this one. But I'm still holding anyways. I haven't sold my bag. I'm still holding because I personally think this year looks like a double bottom. It looks more like a double bottom, which I expect that this should start trending upward. Maybe it might be an opportunity for me. It has started going up already. 2.2. It seems like there are some buys that came in. So it might be an opportunity for me to start buying in more at these prices. 2.3. What is going on? Damn, someone just bought you $4,000, $5,000. Crazy. And it's not one buyer. This is the second time the person is buying. Something is happening. This is a total of $10,000 buy in the past, and it's the same wallet. So he has bought twice the same wallet. What is going on? I don't know. If this want to pump, then it should just be a sign to pump. I would be glad. But I really wish I bought before this guy actually bought. It's crazy actually. $10,000. Still going up anyways. So I think this look here looks like a double bottom, which I expect that we should start trending upward, probably cross $5 million in the coming days if the market is stable and maybe market actually accepts it. So and I do like the people that are still holding it. So for this one, I'm holding even though I'm on loss on this particular one. Let's go over to the next one. Another buy again, $5,000 buy again. What is going on? Okay, not another person bought $500 now. So kind of like buys are coming in. I don't know if this is a sign that they want to start pumping again. I don't know. I hope it's a sign. So let's go over to the next one on this list, which is Biao. So let me look at where I did call Biao. The coin on my list is Biao. So for Biao, I did call it at 990k. So on my Telegram channel, I did call it at below this particular price. But you can see I called it on this particular video at 990k market cap. Let's go over to where it's at right now. Biao is sitting at 700 and something k. So we did have the run to $2 million after I posted about it. You can see that huge run. And then a retracement downwards. But I didn't sell anything because that was over 100% for me. But I didn't sell because my target is not just 100%. I mean, I'm riding this. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. But I'm not just going to target 100%. I mean, I would have played it that way and had the opportunity to buy back lower here. But where it's sitting at right now is a very critical support for it, which I think if it doesn't hold it, then it's going to be very ugly for Biao. Here you can see it did acted as a resistance here. Here it acted as a support, but later on it broke below it. Here it did act as a support, and it's also acting like a support here. So I hope it's able to hold this region, because if it doesn't, then most likely we could start seeing 400k or even lower. So hopefully it holds this region and starts going back up. But I mean, if you want to take the risk, you can take the risk and just set your stop loss slightly below it. So let's say from this price where it is right now, you can have a very tiny stop loss of about 20% or thereabouts. I mean, you guys are even lucky, 20 to 30%, which if it does hit, your stop loss is going to be somewhere around 400 and something K. So you're not, the downside is not so much compared to the upside, which I think is a lot actually. So if you want to take the gamble, you can still take the gamble. Right, so let's go over to the next one on this list, which is Biao. So this is one that kind of like also pumped very hard. So if you look at Biao right here on this video, let's look out for where I called it. So for Biao in this video, I did call it at $1.2 million market cap, but on Telegram I called it quite earlier, and that's why you need to join my Telegram. If you're not there, you're doing yourself, you're missing out on a lot. I did call it at $1 million market cap on Telegram. So if you look right here, here is 1.2 million. But over here, you can see Biao is sitting at 800 and something K market cap. It did go over 100% right here. You can see it pumped to 2.2 million, and since then it did come down. So but I didn't sell when it went up 100%. I mean, I would have taken out my capital if I really wanted, but this looks like a triple bottom right here, 1 2 3. So if this is able to hold, then most likely we should start trending higher. Although one thing that's a red flag right now about it is the fact that the animal did die. I don't know, I think they posted that the dog actually died or something. So I really don't know if a lot of persons will be interested in holding it. I don't know if that is going to be the end of it or something. That is why if you want to, I mean, if you want to cut your loss, you're probably down less than 10-20%. You can actually cut your loss if you don't want it, but the chances that this goes higher or even dies off from here since the dog is actually dead. But that particular news is not confirmed, but you can see here RIP, they did post about it. So I don't know, the dog actually did pass away. So I don't know, holding it at this point feels like it's quite risky. I mean, since the dog is actually dead. So it's all your decision now to hold or to actually sell. If you want to sell, you could actually do that just to preserve your money, please. So for transparency, you can see I'm making this video on another day, and that's why I'm putting on a new t-shirt. But what I want to say is I have actually closed my position for Biao. I've sold that at $1 million. Now the chart is looking very good there, but the reason why I sold is because of the dog that died. It's not very clear which dog really died, but I don't know why it's not very clear and all of that. So that's why I'm actually exiting my position from the same entry point which I gave in our last video. So if you want to exit your position, you can exit it. If you want to hold longer, you can also hold. I don't think it's a bad one, but I just want to exit my position at the moment. It's very, very important. So let's go over to the next one in this video, which is actually Biao. So I'm going to go back and check it out. So for Biao, I did call it at 1.5 million, and this one I'm actually on a very huge loss for this particular one. Although I did call it at 1 million on my Telegram channel, but I'm actually on a huge loss for this particular one. But if you're following me on this channel, I had a live where I said if it breaks below this part, then I'm going to be cutting my loss. So if you did cut your loss, that's good. But if not, not a problem. Just that you're down a lot. I sincerely don't know what the team is doing because this was a CTO or something like that. So I don't know what's going on. They're still posting regularly, but just that chart is looking so bad. I probably guess it's just holding this particular range right here. So let's see what happens. If you've not sold, you are probably on a huge loss for this particular one. Although it did go up after I called it from that $1.5 million. This is actually a terrible one, but if you want to cut your loss, I mean, you could still cut your loss if you want, but if you don't want, you can just leave it and see what the future holds for it. Maybe there might be chances it bounce back up. I sincerely do not know at this point. And then for transparency too, on this particular one, I have actually closed my position. For this one, I did take a loss on this particular one. I didn't like the way it was going down drastically every day, and volume isn't looking good daily. Like, it's getting terrible every single day. So I really don't know if this is going to bounce for the long term. I do like the dog, I do like everything, but I do have to cut my losses so I don't accumulate a lot of losses for this particular one, but I've actually sold all of my coins for this particular one. The final one is QB, which is another one we are sitting on a huge loss on. QB is also very down, but it's just that some of the top traders or top holders are not also selling. So I also stated that I didn't want it to break below this. It did break below it, which was a problem, and QB is very down. For this one, I'm on huge loss on this one too. So it's just part of the game. You can't win everything. Some you're going to lose, some you're going to win. Just make sure the rest of them are actually on better profits than the ones you're holding, than the ones that you're on loss on. So that's just it. But this one, I think we did call it at, I don't have one at 300k right here. It's sitting at 100k right now. So that's a lot of loss actually. But I don't know. Let's see what the future holds for it. Chat is not looking good. Volume is not great. Everything, and they seem not to even be active on Twitter anymore. Let's look at for the last time they posted. So the last time they posted was on the 6th, which is quite long. Today is on the 12th already. So I have also sold all of my QB. I did take a loss on this particular one too. It's better I take a loss right here than just holding a token that have been abandoned and dead forever. So I'm taking my loss for this particular one. But if you want to hold this, it all depends on you. If you want to take your loss, you can also take your loss, and let's look at for other ones. So with that, the only meme coin I'm holding is Trencher, Ikun, Italian Rot, Wizard, Blob, and Biao. And Biao seems not to be doing very well, but I'm still watching it at the moment. So these are the list of meme coins I'm holding for midterm, but it's not going to stop me from taking regular coins I'm going to buy and then just make quick money and move on. But these are the ones I'm holding for midterm. So this is all of it about coins I'm holding in my meme coin portfolio. Mind you, the first 3 coins I mentioned is the ones I have a lot more conviction on, and I'm holding a very big bag for it. For these other ones, the reason why I'm not much affected is I barely invested a lot into this one. So I don't feel it too much just because I invested much more into the first ones I mentioned. So you might play it your own way. Necessarily do not have to follow me to do it the same way. Just do it your own way. But just note that nothing I say in this video is a financial advice. Investing in crypto is risky. Talk more of meme coins that is even riskier. Please do your research very well before you invest. Thank you so much for watching this video, and expect a lot more videos like this and updates in the coming weeks and the coming months. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.